Tom for Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at the Safety First Bassinet for your baby. This is a great bassinet if you want to have your baby really anywhere in the house in a safe location. And I use this basically up until they're ready to start to pull up. But as long as they're on the younger side, it's great. You can put toys in it, as you can see I have here. It's really sturdy. So there's different settings. You can set it up if you kind of lock this down. It can shift, and it can actually be in a rocking setting on both sides. So this can actually rock back and forth gently. Still stable, but if you want to have a rocking function there, if you find that helps your baby to sleep, then that's one option. It uses a standard bassinet sheet too, so you can easily swap those out. And it's a really nice kind of fabric material on the side here on the bassinet. And then you can also open this cover and cover it up, and this just hooks around the sides and provides really good coverage all the way around here if you clip it all the way in. And this is nice, I find, if you want to, go outside, for example, in your backyard, or you could even take this along with you if you wanted to, if you're going out, and you can have a nice safe spot for your baby to hang out. And then it even has this front part that obviously still allows air in, but you can hook this on here and put it all the way around. That'll keep bugs out and just keep your baby protected in there if you want to do that, especially if they've fallen asleep. It's a nice thing, blocks the sun, and again, just a nice quality of fabric here. So I like to use it. You can easily move it around. I like to use it all around the house. Easy to lift up, easy to switch over. I use it on the non-rocking setting, so it's stationary, but again, if you do want to use it with a rocking function, it's still very secure, and some babies do like that kind of rocking back and forth, helps them to go to sleep. So that's a Safety First Bassinet, very versatile, very helpful product.